So I recorded a video, then realized I didn't save anything. That sucks. Um, it was a tier list video of all the Pokemon starters as of 2023. I don't know most of their names. But it was in honor of Birdkeeper Toby, who is retiring. Um, so I guess I'll just read the ones that are my S plus tier. Those are the ones that I think matter the most, which would be Squirtle, Torchic, Big Green Snake, Decidueye, Cute Green Cat, Biggest Form of Cute Green Cat, and Fire Alligator. That's like a Dia de los Muertos kind of look. Those are the best ones, the best, the elites. If you want to know the rest of them, I guess I can make more videos in the future. But enjoy this one. And thank you to Birdkeeper Toby um, for creating all the content you created when you created it.